Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. Before I continue with my box here, I would like to remind all of you, if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and if you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it if you all did. Let's get into what we have for this video. We have the Target Beauty box. I was going to say subscription, but it's not a subscription, for the month of December. For those of you that don't know about this box I think is pretty awesome. This is $7 every month. It is not a subscription because they don't bill you and send it to you automatically. You kind of have to go online and purchase it yourself. And what you get in here is 7 products for $7. So you are pretty much giving each product a $1 value, which a lot of the times we have had them be worth like $5 or $6. So with one product alone, you're pretty much covering the price of your box, and then everything else that you get after that is pretty much just free. So along with everything that you get in here, you do get a $3 off coupon off your next beauty purchase of $15 or more that you can use towards, whatever you buy. And let's get into what we have for this month. So I'll go ahead and grab this one first. This is from Mixed Chicks Coil Kink and Curl Styling Cream. So this is for those of you, or like me, as you can see my hair, it's a little bit out of control today. But for people with curly, kinky, and coiled hair, this is a styling cream that I will most definitely use. And these are all travel size items. So of course they're not going to be full size. You know what? Here and there, I think they have included full size items, but this is a travel size here. So let's see what else we have. Up next, we have something from Ren Pure, and this is plant-based beauty biotin plus collagen. So this is a conditioner. Yes, I figured there was going to be a shampoo in here. So this is a shampoo and conditioner from Ren Pure, and it says thicken and strengthen. So these are 2 little shampoos that you can use for those of you that have damaged hair or dry hair. This will help you out a lot. And I like that they took the extra precaution and go and taped this up on the top so they don't spill everywhere, because it has happened. So they went ahead and taped the top, which is pretty awesome, avoiding any spillage inside of your box. So now we have 2 items here, shampoo and conditioner. Let's see what else we have in here. I'll go ahead and grab this one. This is from Lumen, and it is a Nordic Sea Glow Revival Moisturizer. So we have a little tiny moisturizer here. This is what our little container looks like. And it's covered. Whoa, it's pink. I wasn't expecting that. So this is the product inside. I wonder. So this is really full to the tippy top. I was thinking that once, you hit the bottom, it'll settle, just in case it had like any air bubbles stuck in between, but it's not going down. So I think this is actually full to the tippy top. Usually little samples like this don't come that full. So that's pretty cool that this one is actually full. Up next, we have something from Biore, and it is one nose strip. These always come in handy because there's nothing like clogged pores. And this is, I've used these strips before and they work really, really well. So I am most definitely, again, going to use this one. And we have, what do we have here? We have another, it's a mask. It's a 2-step mask. This is from Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E. And we have a 2-step hair mask, which step 1 restores shine and deep conditions. And step 2 seals cuticles. So this is pretty cool. I do use a lot of masks on my hair because I used to color my hair a lot. Now, not so much. I'm actually trying to grow it out. I think you guys can probably see the difference in colors, mostly down here at the end. But I always try to condition my hair and use masks, because a lot of the times your regular conditioner doesn't do what a deep conditioning mask does. So you always want to try, if you like to take care of your hair, you do want to use a regular conditioner like every day, but every so often, at least once a week, you do want to do some type of mask to kind of, give your hair a little bit more help, because it needs it. So that is pretty awesome. Again, yes, I will be using that. And we have our last item, which is something different that we haven't received, which is a perfume sample. I don't remember us getting any perfume samples in our boxes before. I think this is the first one. And this one is from Good Chemistry, and is Magnolia Violet. So I like magnolia and I like violet. So I wonder if this is gonna smell. Oh no, I almost spilled it everywhere. Ooh, that smells really nice. So it comes with a little tiny stick. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I usually use that to apply it instead of my finger. So it's not so concentrated on my finger, and then later on, if for whatever reason I like my finger, it tastes nasty because of the perfume. But this smells really good. You do get that floral scent. It's really, really good. Ooh, I didn't even know they sold perfumes at Target, but I'm really liking this one. So this one here was the last item from the box. Again, if I find the deluxe size sample price on Target, I will go ahead and post that for the ones that I do find. Obviously, these little packs, I will not find a price for, because these do not sell like this in store. Or you know what? Sometimes they do. Let me look online on Target.com and see how many prices I can find for these, and I will go ahead and post them on the screen as well. But I think this was a really good box for $7. I can see myself using all of this: the shampoo, the styling cream, the moisturizer, the mask, the perfume. I think for $7, I think this is really, really good. Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts down there. Those were all the products from my box. So that is all from me for today. I am all done here. Again, I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you all next time. Bye.